This is going to be a gift for my almost 3-year-old, but to give you an idea of what you can expect when you receive this, here is an unboxing and a how-to. I will rebox it before giving it to my daughter, but she will be happier now that she won't have to wait for me to add the batteries to it. This requires 2 AAA batteries not included. This also has an on-off switch, so this can be played with or without the music as well. We love Miss Rachel and all of her songs, and these ones in particular I think are the most popular, which will be a big hit with my daughter. I'm not able to show you the music in its entirety, otherwise the video won't be posted, but to give you a little glimpse into what the music sounds like, the wheels on the bus go. It's a great volume. I don't think there is a way to adjust the volume, but in my opinion, it doesn't need to be adjusted. It's loud enough to hear, but it isn't at a bothersome volume level. The pieces are easy to pull up and put back. This whole thing feels like a great material that will hold up well through a lot of use, as does most of the Melissa and Doug brand of toys. We love the Melissa and Doug toys for that reason. I cannot wait to give this to my daughter. She is going to love it. I love finding toys like this one that are not just entertaining, but also teaching her as well. I highly recommend this.